Hey guys, how you going? Recently got my aircon fixed. Or sort of regassed because it wasn't working for a while. Got it regassed, and then lately when I have the AC on, the belt's squeaking. So what I did to have a look is trying to find out how to bloody sort this out. And I tried to tighten it because I've noticed this belt is much looser than this one. So I'm like, and it used to be the same. So like, that's not right. So what I try to do is, I didn't do my research and I went to tighten this bolt here, that one there, and as you can see, it doesn't tighten, it's broken. So I have to replace that, which is not what I wanted to do. Today I actually wanted to do my passenger side rocket cover gasket, because last week I did the driver side, and I'm going down to Wollongong on Sunday, so I wanted to get everything sorted before then. Now this popped up, so I'm going to try and run to the scrapyard, second parts thingy, and get a replacement for this and then put that on it. So I should have done research properly and checked how to tighten it, which I didn't, so now I've got to sort that one out, so that's going to be fun. As you can see, I've come back, I've got this part from the wreckers, so we'll see. I'll give it a kind of like a wipe down and good old clean, and then I'll take that one off, the existing one off, and then we can put it back in and then tighten up the belt and make sure that it's good to go. So I've got to start with taking the remainder of the alternator cover off. I just got a zip tie here because the clip broke off. We'll take that off and then we'll get into it. Just a brush to just clean all the threads because they're all dirty, so may as well clean it since I'm here. It's hard to tell that I've actually done anything, but at least I know it's cleaned. Now it's time to start removing the gasket. I'll try and set this up so it's all I have to do is just loosen the bolts and definitely I think I've got to take this one off, this one and this one, and take that one off down there, and should come off. A bit more extra leverage definitely helps. Bottom one, second one from the top. Oh, there we go. I'll loosen that bottom one as well. Get it in this stuff. Get the little one out now. you don't have the right tools, it's definitely not easy. So make sure you get the right tools. Oh, fire out, it's on that tight. Oh, I think I just rounded the bolt. Take the top ones off, but take it off without taking the bottom ones off. Hopefully this fixes my issue, because with the belts being loose, because I'm just guessing at this point, not too sure. Alright, I'll drop that one. So what I've done, I've taken the top bolt off, taken that one off, which was here. Now I'm just taking this one off, and I thought we would have to, let me get the torch so you can see that bottom one there, the one with the light shining on. I tried to take that one off, but it's too tight. So we don't need, doesn't look like we have to take it off. So I think we just have to take off this one here as well. So these two, and it should pop off because it seems pretty loose right there. So I'll take it off and we'll see what happens. Next bolts are the same, yeah, they're the same length, so should be alright. Put this out. So you can see that's what happened. I don't know why it stopped, why it snapped off though. That doesn't make sense. And I'll loosen this bolt here to loosen this, otherwise I'll snap this again, and I realised that. So you gotta loosen this bolt to lift, to then adjust this, adjust here. So that's what needs to happen. I'm gonna put that in now. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna be aligning the grooves with the belt so that when I put it in, it's on the belt straight away. I'm not trying to sort of muck around with it afterwards. So yeah, so that's what I'm planning to do. This flex bit is actually pretty useful. Sometimes it gets annoying because it just moves on its own, but in this circumstance it's actually pretty handy. So the belt is on. You can see the belt is actually on the thing. There you go. So now I'm just going to tighten that bottom bolt. This left bolt there. I want to tighten that to extend it, and then I'm going to tighten the bolt right at the bottom to just keep it all in position. So that's all I'm going to do now. the way I was told, it shouldn't be easy to bend the belt, so it's still a little bit easy. So tighten away. Alright, a little bit more. Alrighty, that seems good there. So that's tight. Now I'm going to tighten the bottom bolt. So I'm going to tighten that bottom bolt now, and should be good. Everything seems to be going alright. Let's start her up. This stops spinning. Up there, just stops spinning. Well, when the AC is on, it actually kicks in. Let's see it. You can see as soon as it turns on. Now the fans start up, so I think that's just been compressor turning on and off to get more, cooler air and that sort of thing. So I think it's fine. Everything else seems to be fine, no issues. It is still squeaking a bit, the belt. Even though I can't hear it now, but it was squeaking before. So I'm not too sure what that's about. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. And I think that's pretty much it. All I have to do now is put the alternator cover back on. I'll take it for a drive and see how it goes. Alrighty, everything seems to be good. Went for the drive, no issues. So that's happy. I'm happy to hear that. What else is there? I think that's pretty much it. It's good that I saw it, but like I said, I didn't hear any squeaking. But maybe later on it might start squeaking, or it might have stopped. I'm not too sure. Guess I'll have to update that at a later date if anything else changes regarding that. Alright guys, I'm going to call it a wrap for this episode. If you liked the episode, make sure you hit the like button, comment down below if you want to keep up to date with the future content. Make sure you subscribe and hit the post notifications button. See you guys in the next one.